Start by cooking the noodles to your taste. Once the noodles is cooked, drain the water and set aside. Add some olive oil and allow to heat up. Green peppers, onions, and chili pepper. Add your noodles, seasoning, and stir together. Add little bit of water to cook. Add very little light soy sauce or dark soy sauce. Allow the sauce to cook for a few minutes. Add the noodles and stir. Add some lettuce and give it final stir. It's so delicious. Go and give it a try.